In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore hacked images in the iOS 17 or later iMessage toolbar and customize your Messages app like a pro. Sometimes you might find that the hacked images icon, which is incredibly handy for sending gifs, is missing from your iMessage toolbar. Don't worry though, we're going to walk through the process of getting it back step by step. First things first, you'll want to open the Messages app on your iPhone. Once you have it open, go ahead and start a new message or simply open an existing conversation if you prefer. This sets the stage for us to dive into customizing your iMessage setup. Now, if you're not seeing the hacked images icon in your iMessage toolbar right away, look over to the left of the text box for the App Store icon, give it a tap. You should notice that this action opens up a variety of app icons within that familiar toolbar. Use your fingers to swipe through these icons. Normally you'd spot the hashtag images icon here, but if it's not showing up, don't fret, there's a quick fix. The solution begins with ensuring the hashed images feature is enabled in the iMessage app drawer. To do this, you'll need to navigate through your phone's settings. Head over to settings, then scroll down and tap on apps and locate the messages option. This is where customization magic happens. Within the messages settings, keep scrolling down until you reach the iMessage apps section. Here's where you'll spot a list of apps that integrate with your iMessage. Look for hacked images on this list. If it's turned off, simply toggle it on. You'll know it's on when the toggle turns green. This action should effectively restore the hashtag images icon to your iMessage toolbar, making it easy to access whenever you're in the mood to send a GIF. Finally, don't forget to tap Done to save this important change to your settings, and there you have it. Now, whether you're looking to express laughter, excitement, or simply add some flair to your conversations, images are back at your disposal, integrated smoothly into your iMessage toolbar. Isn't it satisfying how a few simple steps can make your iMessage experience much more engaging and fun? If this helped you, feel free to leave a comment or share with someone who might need this little tip as well. Stay tuned for more handy tutorials and happy messaging.